Immediately we say anything against the original plan of the Bible in Nigeria and Africa, some of you come to stupidly make some comments that make one to begin to wonder the kind of certifications that you got from schools, even to the level of PhD, professorship. Okay. You believe so much in that Jesus in the life of Africans that he has given handkerchief to a GO to cure breast before, no evidence. The same Jesus enabled a trailer to fly over the vehicle of that GO because the road could not take two vehicles, such that the GO found himself at the end of the bridge. The same Jesus helped another fireful GO to pray such that the prayer corrected the mistake of that Jesus when he was creating a baby inside a pregnant woman, because the Jesus missed out to put head on the baby for the baby. So it was the GO that prayed and then corrected the mistake. The same Jesus enabled a bishop in Nigeria to speak in tongues in pamphlet, and the kidnappers started running helter-skelter. The wonderfulness of this Jesus is so great that he created another pastor as a blind person. Yet he enabled the sweat from that blind man to cure another blind person who was in the gathering. All of these things, no evidence. The same Jesus enabled a barren woman to touch the shear upon which a Jew stood up and used it to rub her belly, and she became pregnant. No evidence. I even heard that the same Jesus allows husband and wife looking for fruit of the womb. Once they pay, they sleep in an old mattress that a Jew and the wife used years back. Right? They sleep in that bed after paying, and they become father and mother. Although this same Jesus has never been taken to places where his name is needed to come and do all these miracles. In all of these examples and many more, don't forget that the same name has also been used by another man, Jerry Coleman, who claimed he raised 50 dead bodies. No evidence. If we continue to give more examples, okay, of the things that they claim that this name has been used to do, it will be night and it will be morning, we'll still be there. Yet, we won't be able to create just one evidence. Summarily, one of the names we use as accolades to eulogize this Jesus is that he is Prince of Peace. He is what? He is Prince of Peace. And we believe that his presence in Nigeria is the reason why they are able to do all of these things that I have mentioned, but very few, like 1%. And the Yoruba say that the name of a child is the reason why a child will behave in a particular manner. That is to say, orúkọ ọmọ ló máa ń ro ọmọ. Out of all the names given to Jesus is the Prince of Peace. And his presence in Nigeria is the reason why all of these unverifiable miracles have been done. That same Nigeria now, the question we're now asking is, if Jesus is a Prince of Peace, what we currently have in Nigeria, even in the presence of that Jesus, can we call it peace? You said? Now I'm asking you a question. Let me reframe my question. If Jesus were to be believed that he is with us in Nigeria, we could not call on that Jesus, Prince of Peace, to come and help us restore peace. But a president, a human being, a flesh human being like you and I, said he will come and do the needful. Even all the followers of this Jesus are running helter-skelter. Yet, their Prince of Peace is not able to restore peace in that land where they serve him all over, such that we have decided to even go hungry because of him, seeing how many camps that we now have where they worship this fictional man called Jesus. My question again is, so that you will know the kind of comments without sentiment that you will put under this post. If one of the names given to that man is Prince of Peace, why is it that he cannot exhibit the qualities of this name in that same Nigeria where he is most worshipped and revered? In addition to it, don't forget, I will worship the Lord, for he is worthy. I will lay down my sword, the Prince of Peace. Àti fi sword lẹ̀ báyìí, but the Prince of Peace cannot restore peace. Is it not high time we took up our sword again to protect ourselves and our family members? I won't say much more than this. And don't forget that ọ̀rọ̀ ti tèmi ọlọ́gbọ́n ló lè yé, ọ̀mọ̀ràn ló lè mọ̀. Gbogbo ẹni tó fẹ́ òótọ́ ló máa ní làákàyè tó tọ́ láti mọ ohun tí Awíkòkó ń sọ. My name remains Rotimi Daniels, the pioneer of Rotimi Daniels Foundation for Peace and Equity. Ó dìgbà náà, ire o.